For generations, farming meant hard labor, early mornings, muddy boots, and endless fields. But today, a quiet revolution is unfolding. Smart machines now plow, feed, milk, and even think for themselves. At first, farmers couldn't believe it, until they saw these robot tractors in action. Then, disbelief turned to pure awe. Modern agriculture is no longer just about soil, seeds, and sweat. It's about systems, sensors, and software. Automation is reshaping the way farmers work, making farms not only more productive but also more humane and sustainable. The Triotrac X, for example, is redefining livestock feeding. This monster of a feed mixer can cut and load up to 2,500 kilograms of silage per minute, reaching a height of 8 meters. Imagine a machine that feeds your cows faster than you can sip your morning coffee. That's Triotrac X in action. With its comfortable cabin and remote control system, a single farmer can do what once took a full team. What's even more impressive is how seamless it feels. The operator doesn't have to manually check feed levels or adjust settings. The system's onboard computer does it automatically, fine-tuning everything for maximum efficiency. It's farming made effortless, without sacrificing quality. But the true magic begins when you combine robotics with augmented reality. Thanks to NetApp's AR technology, farmers can now look at their livestock through smart glasses or tablets and instantly see everything they need to know, from an animal's health status to its breeding history. Gone are the days of flipping through logbooks or scanning ear tags. Just glance at a cow, and data hovers right above her. Live weight, temperature, milk output, and even her last vet check. You can issue commands or update information with a simple tap or voice command. What once required hours of observation and manual record-keeping can now be done in minutes. Farmers aren't just watching their animals anymore. They're interacting with a digital version of their entire herd. The poultry industry has its own robotic guardian, XO, a robot designed specifically to care for chickens. XO's job is to keep the litter dry, the environment clean, and the birds happy. Using advanced sensors, XO continuously moves around the barn, scarifying the litter to prevent scab formation and the spread of disease. What makes XO special is its smart eyes, AI-driven cameras that track every chicken's movement. If a bird looks sluggish or isolated, XO flags it for inspection. It can even detect temperature fluctuations in specific areas of the coop, adjusting conditions automatically. XO is not just a helper, it's a 24/7 caretaker. In large poultry operations where thousands of birds live together, this level of precision can mean the difference between profit and loss. Cattle handling has always been one of the toughest parts of farming, stressful for both animals and humans. But the A8000 restraining cage is changing that. It adapts to the size of any cow, eliminating the need for pre-sorting, and includes a lateral clamping system that gently secures the animal for hoof trimming or medical checks. By reducing animal stress and handling time, the A8000 improves both productivity and welfare. Farmers no longer need to wrestle with their livestock. The machine does the heavy lifting while keeping the cow calm and safe. Then there's the CalfRail DUO, a small but mighty innovation for young calves. Feeding newborns is crucial for healthy development, and the CalfRail automates this perfectly. It can feed 2 calves simultaneously, saving hours of manual labor while ensuring each calf gets the right amount of nutrition. Farmers who've used it say their calves are healthier, grow faster, and show better behavior. Technology, it seems, has mastered the art of motherly care. Equestrian farms aren't left behind either. Enter the Kylix Aquatrainer, a treadmill that lets horses walk or jog in water. It might sound like luxury, but the benefits are backed by science. Water resistance builds muscle while cushioning joints. This innovation has revolutionized equine rehabilitation. Horses recovering from injuries can rebuild strength faster, with less pain and swelling. The Aquatrainer even comes with an adjustable incline, so each horse gets a workout tailored to its recovery level. And when paired with the infrared sunroom, the results are astonishing. The warm infrared light boosts blood circulation, helping horses recover faster and develop shinier coats. Together, these technologies ensure horses are not just fit, but glowing with vitality. Feeding livestock has always been one of the most time-consuming parts of farm life. But with machines like Lely Vector and TKS Feed Belt, it's becoming a hands-free process. Lely Vector acts like a robotic butler, preparing meals tailored to each cow's needs. Using sensors and data from a central system, it calculates the perfect feed mix and delivers it automatically. It even keeps track of which cow has eaten and how much. The TKS Feed Belt, on the other hand, uses a rubber belt system that moves feed along the barn, placing it exactly where it needs to go. No more wasted feed or uneven distribution. For farmers, it's like having a perfectly reliable employee who never gets tired, complains, or takes a break. If there's one thing farmers love about technology, it's how it eliminates tedious chores, like cleaning barns. The Discovery Collector is a robotic cleaning system that sweeps, sprays, and sanitizes barn floors automatically. Its front sprayer collects waste, while the rear sprayer moistens the floor for better traction and hygiene. The result? A clean barn and healthier animals, all without a farmer lifting a finger. Similarly, the ProCleaner X100 automates the entire cleaning process with pinpoint precision. It can navigate around obstacles, clean corners, and save up to 80% of cleaning time. The result is a spotless environment where disease has no chance to thrive.
There is to listen for the audio, where is my boundary, instead of using their eyes to see where an electric fence is.
Then there's the teat scrubber system, a device every dairy farmer dreams of. Before milking, it automatically cleans and disinfects each cow's teats using a chlorine dioxide solution. It also stimulates milk flow while drying, ensuring top hygiene and maximum comfort for the cow. Automation, it turns out, doesn't just make life easier, it makes farms healthier and more humane. Artificial intelligence is also making waves in animal monitoring. Platforms like PlainSight AI and systems from Cyborg Technologies use smart collars and pedometers to monitor cows in real time. Farmers can track everything from the animal's location and health to estrus cycles, right from their smartphones. The Zeta system goes even further, analyzing behavioral data to detect diseases before symptoms even appear. By catching illnesses early, farmers can prevent outbreaks, reduce medical costs, and keep their herds thriving. When combined with precision agriculture robots like Lely Exos, the entire ecosystem becomes interconnected. The Exos receives instructions from the management system, drives to the field, cuts grass, fertilizes, and then delivers fresh feed straight to the cows. Once done, it returns to its charging station, ready for the next job. It's the definition of self-reliant farming.
Beach joins us now with more on how the grain weevil works.
A grain bin is one of the most dangerous places on the farm, but soon a small robot could be taking the
Farm animals, like athletes, face injuries too, and technology is stepping in to help. Instant Cryo provides cryotherapy for horses, reducing swelling and soreness in under 30 seconds. Similarly, nebulizing systems are used after throat surgeries in sport horses to minimize inflammation and accelerate recovery. What used to require veterinary visits and long downtime can now be managed right on the farm, saving both time and money. Farmers are no longer just caretakers. They're becoming tech-savvy managers of animal health systems. Managing waste safely is another huge challenge in farming, but robots have an answer for that too. The Stir 2000 uses a bladeless rotary attachment to loosen bedding materials, reduce humidity, and raise temperatures in barns, destroying harmful pathogens. For farmers working with grain, the grain weevil robot is a lifesaver. Climbing into grain bins is dangerous work, but this small robot does it all, leveling grain, breaking crusts, and cleaning containers. It's fast, efficient, and keeps farmers safe from accidents that have claimed countless lives in the past. Meanwhile, the EZ Squeeze system makes handling cattle easier than ever. With a single lever, it allows even beginners to manage animals safely without physical strain. It's these subtle innovations, quiet, compact, but incredibly effective, that show how far agricultural engineering has come. The Merlin 2G robot is revolutionizing the milking process. With 2 milking stalls, it can handle up to 130 cows entirely autonomously. It cleans, disinfects, and milks each cow gently while also collecting data about her health and production. Between milkings, the system performs an automatic backflush to prevent contamination. For dairy farmers, that means healthier cows, cleaner milk, and less processed, manual work. Then there's the JFC evolution, an automatic calf feeder that feels straight out of the future. Its dual hopper system and touchscreen controls make it possible to feed 140 calves precisely, even remotely via a mobile app. Farmers can monitor everything: milk temperature, feed schedules, consumption rates, without leaving their homes. At first, many farmers hesitated to adopt robotics, fearing complexity and cost. But the results speak for themselves. One farmer using the Paris sheep jetter saved over $116,000 inches a single year, simply by switching from manual to automated treatment. The jetter covers the entire body of each sheep while allowing them to move freely, reducing labor needs and improving results. Others found similar success with Lely Exos and Vector systems, saving hundreds of work hours per month. Efficiency has become the new currency of farming, and robotics is leading the way. When these machines first appeared, many farmers were skeptical. Could a robot really understand the rhythm of the land? Could it care for animals the way humans do? But as they watched these machines in action, the smooth glide of the Discovery Collector, the precise cut of the Lely Exos, the gentle hum of the Merlin 2G, disbelief turned to wonder. These weren't replacing farmers, they were empowering them. Robots don't get tired, distracted, or injured. They don't forget to check on an animal or skip a feeding. They simply do what they're designed to do, tirelessly and perfectly. For the first time, farmers can focus less on repetitive chores and more on what truly matters: growth, innovation, and care. From autonomous tractors to AI-driven feeders, the rise of robotics marks a new chapter in human agriculture, one where technology and nature finally work hand in hand. Farms of the future will no longer be places of exhaustion, but hubs of intelligent productivity. Fields will be plowed by self-driving tractors, barns managed by sensors, and livestock monitored by AI systems that never sleep. What seemed impossible just a decade ago is now a daily reality. Farmers across the world are realizing that embracing technology doesn't erase tradition, it strengthens it. Because at its heart, farming has always been about nurturing life. And now, with the help of machines that think and act, that mission is becoming more sustainable, efficient, and humane than ever before. So when farmers first saw these robot tractors and smart machines, they couldn't believe their eyes. But once they saw how they worked, they knew the future had arrived. If you were amazed by these futuristic farm robots, imagine what's coming next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more incredible tech transforming our world. See you in the next video!